Global Report on Internal Displacement 2019 released. IDMC, that is Internal Displacement Monitoring Center, released its report on the displacement of people by conflict, violence and disaster across 145 countries. As per the report, conflict and disaster triggered 33.4 million new internal displacements and 50 million total displacements of people across 145 countries and territories in 2019. What is IDMC? Based in Geneva, Switzerland, Internal Displacement Monitoring Center is a part of the Norwegian Refugee Council, the world's ultimate source of data and analysis on internal displacement. Since its inception in 1998, IDMC has been offering a rigorous, independent and trusted service to the international community by providing a fine report on internal displacement and a roadmap to curb this. What is the Norwegian Refugee Council? Founded in 1946 at Oslo, Norway, NRC is politically independent and has no religious affiliation to any religion in the world. Jan Egeland is the current Secretary General of NRC. Further, NRC protects the right of people affected by displacement. This includes refugees and internally displaced persons who are forced to move out of their homes as a result of conflict, human rights violations and acute violence, as well as climate change and natural and man-made disasters. What does IDMC do? The very reason for its foundation is monitoring internal displacement worldwide caused by conflict and violence, disaster and development. IDMC collects data on the age, gender and location of internally displaced people as well as the type of their habitat and the duration of their displacement. They even aim to identify when and how many internally displaced people across borders and how many refugees become internally displaced when they return or are deported back to their country of origin. Who are internally displaced people? Internally displaced people are persons or group of persons who have been forced or persuaded to leave their homes or places of residence to avoid the effects of armed conflict, situations of rape, mob violence, violations of human rights or natural or human-made disasters, and who have not crossed an internationally recognized state border. What does the latest report of IDMC say? Conflict and violence gave rise to fresh new 8.5 million displacements in 50 nations in 2019, the major part of which was by armed conflict and in low and middle income nations. Close to 1900 disasters gave rise to 24.9 million new displacement cases across 140 nations and territories in 2019. This is by far the highest figure recorded since 2012 and 3 times the number of displacements caused by conflict and violence.